We are big believers in having everyday items that you are going to touch and feel and experience throughout your everyday life.
When words alone just aren't enough.
A huge part of our mission is to empower women to walk together in darkness.
The mission is Laurel Box, a line of gifts, tangible reminders that speak to women in grief in ways you might not be able to with words.
Not that a gift will ever replace somebody who you've lost, but just as an action to show how much, we remember them and how much we love them.
What's interesting about the line is that moms from around the country are the creative minds helping with development. You'll see messages contributed from a popular mommy blogger who lost her son and now wants to help others. And the gifts do help.
It's just precious stuff that just for whatever reason speaks to you in that moment where you're like, wow, somebody cares and they love you.
Danielle Elliott told me she received a Laurel gift box after she miscarried, and the sentiment took her out of a very dark place.
It was very emotional, extremely emotional actually, just crying in the waiting room. And
the gifts are meant to symbolize the amazing things that happen when women support other women to help them move on to the next chapter of life.